Did you know? Not flushing your tankless water heater can shorten its life by years? Today, I'll show you how to properly flush a RINNAI tankless water heater and keep it running efficiently. First, turn off the power to the unit and gas valve. Safety always comes first. Remove the two screws at the bottom and unlock the latch at the top. Lift the front panel upward. Then close both the hot and cold water valves. Open the valve above the cold and hot water valves with a 13-inch wrench. Next, connect your flush kit hoses to the service ports. Place the utility pump into a bucket filled with white vinegar or an approved descaling solution. The other hose should return back into the same bucket. Now press the B button on the heater circuit board for 1 second. It will show DES. Press the A button. DES starts to blink. Then, turn on the pump and let the solution circulate for 1 hour. This step removes mineral buildup inside the heat exchanger. Once flushing is done, turn off the pump and disconnect the hose from the cold water service valve, leaving the hose in the hot water service valve. Open the cold water valve and rinse the system with clean water for about 5 minutes. Finally, close the service ports, open the water valves, and turn the power back on. And that's it. Flush your tankless water heater once a year to extend its lifespan and improve efficiency.